In this video, I will show you how to master meeting productivity with Jamie, a privacy-first AI note-taker that works without a bot joining your calls. As we look at the main dashboard, you see how easy it is to capture summaries, transcripts, and action items for meetings held online, in person, or in hybrid settings. One of Jamie's standout features is its ability to handle over 100 languages, delivering human-like summaries across global teams. Notice in the interface how it automatically labels speakers and remembers them for future conversations. This is a game changer for leaders who want to stay present rather than frantically writing. You can also use the Ask AI feature to search through months of meeting history to find specific details or identify recurring patterns across your conversations. Jamie fits right into your existing workflow by syncing directly with tools like HubSpot, Notion, and Google Docs. Security is a top priority here. The platform is GDPR compliant with EU hosting, and notably, it never uses your data to train AI models. Audio files are deleted immediately after transcription, and all data is secured with AES 256-bit encryption. Whether you are using it for quick syncs or enterprise-level conferences with SSO and SCIM provisioning, Jamie keeps your business private while ensuring you never miss a detail. It really does offer a different league of organization for anyone tired of traditional note-taking. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more AI productivity tips. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use Jamie in your next meeting.